Hello everyone! I am excited to have the opportunity to speak with you today about our flagship services, piRaid and piRobot. But before we dive into the details, I have some thrilling news to share. Our project has been recognized and awarded as the best project by NVIDIA and has also received the prestigious Global Startup Challenge Award from ASUS. This recognition fuels our passion and commitment to innovation even further. Now, let's move on to the core of our offerings. piRobot AI as a service is designed to automate and optimize overall work processes by harnessing the power of advanced edge computing technologies, combining AI vision and robotics. piRobot utilizes cutting-edge AI computer vision and edge computing to guide robots in complex tasks such as piece picking, machine tending, and assembly. With its AI deep learning model and 3D dot camera, piRobot can precisely identify X, Y, and Z coordinates, allowing it to adapt seamlessly to changes in object positioning. The state-of-the-art system integrates ultra-precision edge devices with advanced identification technology, all overseen by a cloud-based AI as a service that enhances robot operations, ultimately boosting efficiency and reducing costs. piRobot's applications extend beyond logistics, significantly improving productivity across manufacturing and distribution sectors by reducing labor and time requirements. Our edge devices are equipped with AI to identify and analyze product images under various conditions. Unlike traditional logistics systems that require frequent updates with process changes, piRobot adapts effortlessly to handle different product shapes and colors without needing program adjustments. It also uses advanced algorithms to optimize movement paths in real time. piRaid Mobility as a Service leverages open-loop payment systems and optimizes demand and supply through cutting-edge cloud computing technologies, including AI machine learning and digital twin technology. The service is built on over 20 years of domain expertise, industry best practices, and international standards such as EMV and GTFS. The piRaid solution focuses on dispatch and route optimization, strategically managing and coordinating resources to maximize efficiency, minimize delays, and enhance operational effectiveness. With our AI machine learning algorithms, piRaid achieves an 88% reduction in headway deviation and waiting time alongside a significant decrease in operational costs. Our cloud-based piRaid solution also optimizes services by conducting repeated simulations using digital twin technology. As you can imagine, running vehicles in the real world incurs significant costs and limitations, even when the optimal dispatch and routes are designed. The digital twin solution allows us to simulate changes, visualize outcomes, and make data-driven, cost-efficient improvements without any real-world expenses. Now, let me provide a more in-depth introduction to our company. In 2019, our fintech startup was established in Singapore through a foreign expert attraction program called Entry Pass Innovator by the Singapore government, based on our outstanding expertise in the mobility field. In 2020, we founded our AI-based deep tech company in Korea, and in 2023, with the support of the Korea government and NVIDIA, we established a corporation in the United States. Our company is strategically positioned to conduct business effectively through partnerships with industry leaders and endorsements from government officials in Korea, Singapore, the United States, and many other countries. We have partnered with NVIDIA in AI, R3 for blockchain, CBDC, and have undertaken projects with Visa in open-loop payments. Our R&D partnerships include collaborations with Korea University, National University of Singapore, and Singapore Management University. With a robust background and extensive knowledge, we're continuously enhancing our competitiveness in the mobility sector. To sum up, we optimize supply and demand in the mobility industry through cutting-edge AI technology, integrate robotics to automate tasks across processes, and address social challenges such as congestion and pollution. Our solutions provide convenience to users by saving manpower and time. We're committed to making your dreams come true. Thank you very much.